In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sennheiser Bluetooth 450BT. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Sennheisers 450BT are designed to be used over Bluetooth, so you will be able to connect them to any device that supports the technology. You will be able to use them completely wirelessly as long as they are sufficiently charged. So, first, you need to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. So go over to the Bluetooth settings on your PC, laptop, or even a mobile device like a phone, and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Once this is done, you will be able to put them into pairing mode. To do this, usually you just have to power them on, and they should go into pairing mode immediately if you have never paired them up before. If you have paired them up before, or they don't automatically go into pairing mode, all that you have to do is press and hold this specific button on your Sennheiser headphones. So press this button until you see some sort of LED indicator. You might also hear a voice prompt on the headphones themselves. So once they enter pairing mode, they will appear under the list of available devices. So now if you look back at the screen on your device where you are setting up Bluetooth, you will be able to see them listed. Choose the HD 450BT from the list, and as soon as you select it, they will pair themselves up with the device. Now you will be able to wirelessly use them until the battery runs out. Once it runs dry, you will have to charge them back up again, and once this is on at least once, they will automatically pair up with the new device every future time that you power them on in close proximity, so you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your PC, laptop, a phone, and so on over Bluetooth. You just have to make sure that it is enabled. You press and hold the pairing mode button, and once they go into pairing mode, choose the HD 450BT from the list of available devices. The process is going to be the same for any other Sennheiser headphones model that you might have. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sennheiser Bluetooth 450BT. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.